Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades. Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading and the investment process in Bluebird that we have been discussing for years, 100% free on the blogs of the company. And I'm going to start by referring to the article that was made available to everyone for free, obviously, December 2017. Artificial intelligence uses sell Bluebird bio at $217. Goldman Sachs is deceiving investors. So you have here the story, the real story, about the investment process in this company, Bluebird bio, and you have here the chart downgrading at $217. And you have here also, I'm selling short Bluebird bio, and I'm saying you have no risk whatsoever. We never miss the forecast in the biotechnology sector. We have been very explicit. And therefore, and by the way, this chart, you have it 1% free, okay? So if you click here, you can see the chart. It is interesting. So you have it here, precisely when we downgrade this, okay? So I'm going to click back. The charts, they are useful for those that they are completely dumb, stupid. So for someone that is completely dumb, stupid, this chart is extraordinarily simple. I'm going to click again. We started with an upgrade to strong buy at $39.70, okay? And this upgrade, you find it on the blog. Unlike scammers on the web, you find it 100% free in the case study on the blog. Do you understand? Fine. Then when the stock got to $75, we said strong buy rating, okay? And then at $88, we said you are going to buy more. This is the chart, the investment process, and the articles on the blog of the company, okay? When it got to 217, when Goldman Sachs, precisely on the day, the week that Goldman Sachs upgraded to $300, what did happen? We said $300 plus, okay, for the Americans. We said, no, we are going to help Americans because we love Americans. Is the people that we love the most in the world. We love Americans. So we said, you are going to sell this position because I'm going to sell short the stock and it's going down. It's going down. There is no risk. It's going down. Okay? That's what the article says. Okay? So I'm going to show you again. I'm short, I'm selling short, no risk, okay? So you have it here. Date, everything, 1 minute, 1 minute time for you to read, those that they are complete morons, 1 minute that you take the time to read, and you have all the links, okay? For example, any other company does not have links, okay, within their articles because they don't have any past history. We have been here for 30 years, okay? Others, no. Others, they don't have anything to show, okay? That is the reason why we have the links. The links are very important, okay? Very important for you to follow up the investment process. Do you understand? Fine. So we go back here to this chart on Bluebird and what did happen in Bluebird. You have it here at 106, okay? Where is the surprise? There is no surprise. Why do you have this sentence here, price target 159, 1% accuracy? Why do you have it here? Why? Where is this coming from, Alex? Where? It fell from the moon? No, it didn't fall from the moon. Nothing falls from the moon, my friends. All this done in real time. So what we said was this. For those that they have this plan, we said this. You are going to make millions of dollars without, again, any risk whatsoever, so no risk. Where after the share price collapsed, we said this is going to rally, okay? And this is going to rally, and our price target is 159. So the share price rallied to 162, as you can see it here. Our price target, it was 159, okay? So when it got 159, we have groups discussing Bluebird on Microsoft Teams, and there was no need for AI bot trade alerts, nothing. We said this, and in fact it was my colleague and myself. We said this, you are going to sell, congratulations to everyone, sell everything. In other plan that is called AI Vision, we said, now you are going to sell short the stock. Okay, so we gave a lot of profits to AI Perelman subscribers, users, and then in the other plan, which is above the AI Perelman, it's called AI Vision. The one, for example, that sold short also Tesla at $380, when the Americans, they turned bullish with upgrades to $4,000, as it is obviously common. They see UFOs every single day. At least it appears on the news that the UFOs are always surviving New York. I don't know why. They got this message, okay? But I'm referring to Americans. So the Americans, they sold short this company, okay? I'm not referring to the rest of the world. Americans, okay? Users, subscribers, okay? No one here is against Americans, on the contrary. This was done for the benefit of Americans. We made it public, available, all right? So what it happened is that this stock, as you can see it here, developed, is absolutely perfect. A downtrend. So on the trade alerts, you know, develop a downtrend. So everyone, so by the way, this stock, it went to $230 plus. So, and the people, they thought, well, you know, Goldman Sachs is going to be right about, no, my friends, here we were selling short more. We are downgraded, here we are selling short more. Okay? So this stock developed a downtrend. And why the stock developed a downtrend while the markets in the US, they soared, they went to new all-time highs and so on? There is a reason. There are reasons, in fact, for this stock to collapse. Okay? Which are the reasons? Obviously, I'm not going to tell you. You call Goldman Sachs. Why Goldman Sachs, the stock that you recommended, meanwhile, crashed at 50%? Why? Let me pass the phone call to Mr. What's his name? Oh, yeah, Jim Cramer. Go to Jim Cramer. Call CNBC. This is what they tell you, right? So these are all scammers. They've been deceiving everyone since the very beginning. Anyway, these are the facts, the fact sheet, 106. And meanwhile, those that they didn't listen, they lost everything. That is entirely your problem, okay? So, meanwhile, those that they listen to, you don't have to work for the rest of your life. Fact sheet. Friends, always refer to facts, okay? You like it or you dislike, like I say in the very first 30 seconds in every single video. We don't give a shit about you. You are completely irrelevant. You don't have any weight whatsoever, and therefore, no one gives a shit about you. Again, you understand the end result. It is always the same. Always the same.